And we're live. What's up, YouTube? Now it's Jake Merwin here, and in this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to do a live trade and like how to balance my portfolio. So I sold one of my stocks. I sold like $8,000 worth of it. So I'm gonna exchange that for U.S. dollars. And then I'm gonna buy Nvidia. I'll show you guys the stock that I sold, ENS. Yeah, so that's 5,500 plus 2,000. 7,800. Wait. Yeah, so I sold close to 8,000, probably more, like 9,000. And then I just want to trade it for Nvidia. Like another 3,000. Glitch. Leg. Come on. Oh, it's being all leggy. Okay, bye. What the fuck is going on? There we go. So that's gonna be around 7,000. I want at least 10,000 in Nvidia though. Okay, what the fuck? Come on. There, so this is what my portfolio looks like now. Well, and then Nvidia is gonna be close to the top too. I know that I sold out on this early. This might go to $16, but think about it. All I'm getting is like pennies on here. Um, I got like 20. What was it? 27% maybe, and in dividends plus the capital appreciation, I got around 27%. And now I was holding it for like 2 years. So if you think about it, Nvidia every like 5 years, I don't even know, 2,000%. Jeez, man. So I would rather hold Nvidia for 5 years because then I'll like 20x my income if I hold it for 5 years. So that's gonna be like close to 200,000 in 10 years just from 10,000 bucks. I was gonna buy more AMD, but then I was like, like I want Nvidia to be like, I want my position in Nvidia to be more than it is in AMD. Just because they dominate the market share. And then I like this app, Blossom Social, because I'll show you why. It's kind of, oh fuck, I gotta update it right now, or seriously? Um, I like Blossom Social because, like, they got this pie chart that you can look at, and it's like it makes it simple for dummies. It doesn't show my crypto though. It doesn't show my crypto value or anything else. It just shows like basically stocks. But you can see here, it shows like a pie chart, right? So like I used to have like ENS used to be uh like 50%. So now Nvidia is gonna jump all the way up to around 14% once those shares get bought. And then what else I'm gonna want to do when I rebalance my portfolio is I want um I want 30% of my portfolio to be in the Canadian bank stocks. So I'm gonna divide that by the three banks I chose, by Royal Bank, TD, and Bank of Nova Scotia. So I'm gonna want at least 10% in all of them, but I'm probably gonna go with 15% into Royal Bank, and then maybe 10 and 10, and then what's that gonna be? Well, no, because then that would be 35%. But I at least want 10% in all of the banks. So like 10% in TD, 10% in Bank of Nova Scotia, 10% into Royal Bank, just because it's safe, and the dividends aren't bad. But now if I go over here, my dividend yield has dropped dramatically. It used to be, I lost well, from selling ENS, I lost like almost $100 a month is what I'm not gonna receive in dividends anymore. Monthly, yeah, $91. I was getting close to $180. I was getting actually over $180. So I lost like around $100 in dividends a month, which is fine because, like I said, I'm buying Broadcom and Nvidia. Like I know Nvidia doesn't pay much. What is it? All time? Well, it's not all time. I'm just curious to see how much Nvidia's actually paid me. $1.57. But it doesn't matter. Like obviously you don't buy Nvidia because of the dividend they have. Like you buy it because of the capital appreciation. I don't know if the article's still here. Yeah, see, like there's always articles on Nvidia. What's the headline? Yeah, well, obviously the market is going to be doing good after Trump wins, right? Okay, why? All this shit's like distracting me, updating and the slow internet and having to log into this. Is there like another site I can use? Damn it. Nvidia and AMD, well, with the... Okay, what the fuck, man? What a bunch of fucking distractions. I just want to read about stocks. Like, and what's this thing about Webull? Now I can't even close? Holy. There we go. Microsoft Edge. Alright. So, earnings. Holy. Earnings are getting close. 11% of a year-over-year growth. Yeah, right. It's got to be more than that. I don't know why they always underpredict, and then once earnings come out, it's like, oh, we're so surprised that they beat our earnings report, or we beat the earnings prediction. Well, yeah, because you're only predicting 11% of a growth when you're talking about Nvidia. You're not talking about Johnson and Johnson or some shit or Caterpillar. Like, it's Nvidia and AMD. $450% capital gain in 3 years. See, that's what I want. That's why I sold. Like, yeah, I lost out on $100 a month in dividends, but at the end of the year, that's only gonna be like what, like 2 grand, if that, plus the capital appreciation. So with and how much was that? That was like 9 grand. So 9 grand, that's almost a 10x. So that's gonna be like actually 5 grand in 3 years instead of 2 grand. So like, oh yeah, I'll triple. I'll get like 300% more. No, I'll get like 400% more of an increase just by buying Nvidia. Um, so AMD's got a bunch of new products. So their earning report doesn't come out until February 4th. That's what I like about AMD. Their shares are down 23% in the last year. So it's a no-brainer to buy both of them. Well, especially AMD, because like you're going to be getting, well, I know it only says 23%, but if you buy AMD right now and if they go back up to their all-time high, you're almost getting 100%, I think. Like, look, 123. Well, then that would mean they would have to go to 240, but they almost were at that. They were almost 240. No, they went over 200. I remember it. They were at like 220. I swear they were. Yeah, see, 207. What's that? 215? No, they got close to 220, I remember. Where is it? Where is it? Come on, come on. 210, 211. That's the highest it's saying. But no, I remember they went up to close to 220. So you're technically, if they go back up to their all-time high, which is just up here, if you buy them now, you're pretty much going to get 90%. And then, and they haven't even actually increased. It's just them going back up to the all-time high. You know what I mean? That's why I like AMD too, because yeah, like I just said, if you buy them now, and they don't even have to technically go up in value, and you're gonna get 90% if they go to their all-time high. And then if they go up even more, then you're gonna get a lot more. So did those Nvidia shares go through yet? No. Let's see, did those Nvidia shares go through yet? Not yet. I'm telling you, man, everyone wants AMD or Nvidia. All right, well, I'm gonna end the video there. Just wanted to show you guys how I'm rebalancing my portfolio for 2025, and wanted to show you guys like a live trade that I did, even though it's technically taking like It's not really live. It's gonna take 10 minutes or 20 minutes or whatever. All right. Have a good day. See you on the next one.